Untwist the 2 thumb screws on the idle bearing plate. The thumb screws are now attached to the plate and will not separate from it as shown in this video. Pull the idle bearing plate off the brush cover and remove the gaskets that are on the bearing cup. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the bearing cup screw. Replace the bearing cup and reinsert the screw with the lock washer. Install the old gaskets onto the new bearing cup. Put the plate back onto the brush cover and tighten the thumb screws.